Today, we are going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The Paint Shaver Pro. The Paint Shaver Pro has reinvented paint stripping. Instead of messy liquid strippers, you now have the choice to use a high-performance power tool that gets you big results, fast. The Paint Shaver Pro strips the underside and face of either board simultaneously. The replaceable tungsten carbide blades will strip up to 400 square meters. The Paint Shaver Pro will strip away multiple layers of paint at a time and collect it all into a vacuum system for easy disposal. ROWELD ROCUT Orbital Circular Saw. The ROCUT Circular Saw is ideal for cutting plastic pipes made of PE, PP, and PVC on the construction site and in the workshop. The set includes the basic device and carbide saw blade. This awesome tool works on pipe diameter from 160 millimeters to 355 millimeters. It is extremely easy to use and saves material and time due to its accurate cut. Worx Nitro Switchdriver 2.0. Introducing the all-new second-generation Switchdriver 2.0 2-in-1 drill and driver. The original 20-volt Switchdriver has been an top-selling Worx tool for years, but this new Nitro version takes the Switchdriver to the next level. New features and improvements include a powerful brushless motor that offers 25% more power, 50% greater runtime, and 10% longer life of the tool. Also, it features a new intelligent design interface with a digital key that allows you to quickly change torque settings 1 to 9 and adjust work mode between drilling and driving. Air-supplied paint drying gun. This water-borne paint drying gun with ball valve control is designed to be used manually or just as easily mounted on a manifold. It features continuous flow drying and can be used for all phases of the drying process. Super fast drying is more efficient than a traditional dryer. C-HOG Esco Mohawk series. The C-HOG beveling machine securely attaches to the tube body with a huge clamp that minimizes chatter and vibration and is well suited for small bore tubes. Because there is no ID clamp or mandrel to interfere, the ID clearance gain also allows for large, tough ID boring blades that increase scutter blade endurance. Designed for maximum operator comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. Delmar Tools Push Block for Table Saws. The Delmar Tools patent-pending push block creates an adjustable width tunnel for the table saw blade to pass through under the push block on difficult narrow rip cuts as small as 1/4. Gain complete control of both sides of stock on your rip cuts. Helps reduce kickback while keeping your hands above and away from the saw blade. Adjustable center leg is easily adjusted by rolling a wheel with your thumb to set up different width cuts. Innovative balance wheel is deployed via a button to deliver stability on narrow cuts. No annoying thumb screws that have to be loosened and tightened for each cut. ROAIRVAC the cordless vacuum pumps. The SeaWest battery vacuum pumps ROAIRVAC R32 2.0 and 5.0 CL are recoil-proof, powerful, and can be used anywhere. Cordless evacuation for professionals. Fast, safe work even in places where no power supply is possible. with the combination strong CES battery system and the compact design. There are no limits to your mobility. Metabo Metal Weld Bead Remover PFM17. The Metabo Metal Weld Bead Remover is fast, clean removal of weld beads in one work step with the newly developed Metal Weld Bead Remover. Small metal chips are generated during face milling. One-touch controller. Patented, tool-free setting of the cutting depth in 0.1 mm steps, ready for use in a matter of seconds, thanks to its fixable, magnetic guide rail. Coast Dual Power Headlamp. The Coast peaks at 2075 lumens on turbo mode and features a dust resistant and storm-proof aluminum body that rolls in its bracket for directional lighting and also detaches to become a full-featured flashlight with a magnetic tail cap and built-in power indicator. The Coast patented pure beam optical system with twist focus enables seamless transitions between ultra view flood beam and bull's eye spot beam for versatility on the job. This rechargeable dual power flashlight runs on a Coast Lithium X rechargeable battery, but can also operate on disposable lithium or alkaline batteries. Magnetic Flange Aligner. The magnetic flange aligner with the newest off and on 90 pounds holding power magnet technology. The magnetic flange aligner is your third hand and has no threads or nuts to deal with while working on your project. The thickness of the flange is no longer an issue. Aligner fits all flanges with holes from 1/2 to 2 in diameter with a maximum of 9 3/4 center to center hole spread. The new aligner comes in a compact case that will protect the tool from damage and keep it together in one place ready to use. Centering cones can be used as nuts when working with non-magnetic materials. 2 max flange thickness with threaded stud provided. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.